think we all have a collective responsibility, but also as an individual responsibility to open our eyes and do something. As a man, as a father, as a husband, as a son, as a brother, and as representative of the European Union, I'm very pleased to be part of this campaign. I'm committed to have an impact, and I call all of you, especially the men, to realize what is happening, and to the women and girls to know that the European Union and many stakeholders in the civil society, in the government, are ready to help you out and to put an end to this shameful situation.
I ovo jeste globalna kampanja, ceo svet narednih 16 dana pokušava da posebno skrene pažnju svima nama, dakle i ženama i muškarcima, na to da treba da se borimo protiv nasilja nad ženama u svakom smislu te reči, i zato mi je važno da smo mi već 4. godinu deo te velike svetske kampanje.